Are you confused on how to use essential oils in your everyday skincare routine? Let's make this fresh and floral body milk so that you can have soft and luxurious skin too. With this recipe, you'll go from dry, dull skin to having the most luxurious skin out there. Hi, I'm Shyla. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. So turn off those distractions because making is healing, so let's go. Here's what you'll need to make this recipe. To make this awesome recipe, you'll need your January recipe box. First things first, we're gonna need our recipe card and our stickers. From your recipe box, you're gonna grab your vegetable glycerin and your emulsifying wax. The essential oils you're gonna wanna grab are oregano and lavender. From your big bonus box, you're gonna grab your almond oil. And from your home, you're gonna wanna grab a handheld mixer, a bowl, some distilled water, and a 4-ounce spray bottle. The recipe card calls for a double boiler, but you can also use your microwave, which is what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna pop my ingredients into the microwave at 30-second intervals to make sure that it doesn't overmelt. So I'm adding 1/4 cup distilled water and 1/4 teaspoon of the vegetable glycerin. I'm gonna go melt this in the microwave and I'll be right back when it's at 150 degrees. The next part of the recipe says you're gonna use 1 tablespoon of almond oil and 1/4 teaspoon of the emulsifying wax. You're gonna wanna combine these two recipes together and pop it in the microwave for 30 seconds at a time. Now that this is at 150 degrees, I'm gonna add my essential oils. So it calls for 6 drops of lavender and 1 drop of oregano. I'm gonna mix this thoroughly to make sure that the essential oils are evenly incorporated. Now I'm gonna add the two mixtures and I'm going to mix them together to make sure that they're emulsified. Now I'm gonna mix this together for about 2 to 5 minutes until it's a little bit thicker than milk. All right, now that it's at the consistency that I want it to be at, I'm gonna add this to my spray bottle. Then I'm gonna make sure I put my label on it so I know exactly what's in the spray bottle. There we go. We made a fresh floral body milk in under 10 minutes. You can make this too. I absolutely love seeing all the creations that you guys make. So go ahead and take a picture of you making this recipe or the finished recipe and tag From Simply Earth with hashtag I made this. The Simply Earth recipe box makes making recipes like this super easy. Go make yours today.